our food, hold our drinks, and even hides in our clothes. But did you think that over 80 million tons plastic are produced every year, and more than 11 million tons end up the oceans, harming marine life and entering the food chain as microplastic? But we often think I am just one person what makes a difference. But real change starts with us, with our shopping bags and water bottles, our habits. Let me show you how I reduce plastic in our everyday life and how we can too. I bring my own refillable clothes bag and jars when I shop. Instead of plastic wrapped vegetable, I buy fresh from local market. When I buy length, rice or space, I use refill station with my own containers. Bamboos. I use bamboo toothbrush refill soap dispensers. And I make my own natural cleaners using vinegar. I store food in glass container and cover levers with beeswax strips. No cling film, no plastic worm. I carry metal water bottle, reusable cutlery and coffee cup when I am out. That's why I never need to accept single-use plastic. It may seem small, but if one person avoids 3 plastic items per day, that's over 1,000 pieces a year. Now imagine million people doing the reducing plastic is just one part of SDC 12, the bigger goal of responsible consumption. Here, after other action I take, I buy less, and when I buy, I choose quality over quantity. I look for products made from recycled materials, and I support local brands that use minimal packaging. I repair instead of repairing things. My clothes, my shoes, even my phone. Now let's talk about the action taken by Bangladesh to reduce plastic and support sustainability. Ban plastic bag. Bangladesh was the first country in the world to ban shopping bags in 2002 after clogged drains from plastic led to measure. This was a groundbreaking and has inspired other nations to follow suit. Promotion of jute bag alternatives. Snail bag scientists in Bangladesh developed the Sonali bag, a biodegradable bag made from jute cellulose. It looks and feels like plastic but decomposes naturally, offering local solution to plastic pollution. Export potential has also been explored for this innovation. Extend producer responsibility. EPR rules 2021. Bangladesh introduced EPR guideline to make plastic producing companies responsible for the waste they generate. Producer must now contribute to the recycling and collection of plastic they place in the market. Awareness and education campaign. Various and youth organizations run awareness campaign on reducing plastic, especially in school and universities. But still there are major changes. Challenge still faces. Despite the process, challenges remain. Effortness of the plastic ban inconsistent. Plastic consumption is rising in urban area. Lack of paper recycling infrastructure and awareness at the grassroots level. With rapid growth and urbanization, Bangladesh faces sharp increase in both plastic use and population in the last 15 years. Bangladesh animals per capita plastic consumption in urban areas tripled to 9 kg in 2020 from 3 kg in 2005. Consumption of LDP packaging materials. Plastic bags extractory increased 5-fold in 2020 from 2025. Of the 970,000 tons of plastic consumed in 2020, only 31 were recycled. I try to inspire others. I talk friends about using less plastic. I post eco tips on the social media, and I volunteer for community cleanup events. If each of us become little more aware, together we can build a movement, and the movement become global solution. Say no to plastic, yes to a healthier planet. Plastic pollution ends with you know.